What's up, online shoppers? I just got my brand new push lawnmower in the mail, and I want to open it up and put it together so you can see what a great little lawnmower this is. Now, I have read lots of really cool reviews about this lawnmower, so I am curious to see if it's going to stand up to all of the great press that I hear it getting. Now, there is some assembly required, but here is what it looks like when it ships in the box. Here is the care manual and some extra parts. A word of caution before I take this out, I'm giving this advice to myself. These blades are super sharp, so you want to be careful even when you're assembling, because you don't want to cut yourself and have that be the first thing that you cut with your lawnmower. Okay. There is my beauty. So this is the 14-inch push lawnmower by the American Lawn Mower Company. And you can see right now it's actually got really good maneuverability here. The wheels are independent, so you can turn really nicely on this. Let's get the pieces together. They call this color red, but actually it's more like a burnt orange, we'll call it. Now, a cool thing about this is you don't require any gas, any electricity, any batteries to recharge. You can just go out and cut the grass. In order to not cut myself, I'm actually going to set this down here so I can put the handle together, and then we'll attach the handle to the base. Okay, we can also attach the foam handles here. Nice foam hand grips. Number one, and here's number two. You can't say you don't know how to turn it on, can't say you're out of gas, can't say you don't have the battery charged up. There's no excuse with this. You just have to go out and cut the grass. So now I have all the parts out of the box, so we're ready to assemble. So just before we get started, there's two ends to this. This one here is kind of squared off. This is going to be connected in here as part of the handle. And then of course here you have this flattened out end. This is the part that connects to the actual mower. So we're going to line them up so that the prongs face out, and they're going to go in like this and like this. Now, the two longer hex bolts are going to get used here, and then the shorter one gets used there. The opening here is square, and that's so that the hex bolt can actually lock in place. You have to take the washer off and put it on the other side next to the wing nut. So you can tighten this on whichever side is your preference. It doesn't matter. You can do one on both sides, do one on each side. I'm just going to feed it through like that. Put my washer on. My hex bolt has sunk into the square part here, and I'm ready to just give it a quick little finger tighten. This will do a good job of holding the rest of the handle together for me, and I can get started on the other one. Same deal. You see how there's that square there? You want to make sure that you take your hex bolt off of the wing nut and then take the washer off and put the washer on this side. Put it together really quick like that, finger tighten. Almost, dare I say, the perfect night to go cut the grass. It's kind of nice you don't need any other equipment here or any other tools to do this. You just have to use the strength of your fingers. And now the only other place I have to connect it here is the handle. Same thing. I remember as a little girl watching my grandfather use the push mower at camp to cut the grass. So it's kind of a cool thing that I've got myself a push mower and I'm going to use it around our house. And we are ready to put this on. Now, I removed this roller from the back, and this is where you have your height adjustment for the blades. Depending on whether you connect your handle here or here, it's going to change how close the blade is to your grass. And your handle is going to attach to your mower unit from the outside. I'm just going to give you a little close-up here and let you see what it looks like all in motion. So we've got the handle fully assembled all the way up. We've got the lawnmower right here. There is the back of the mechanism, just like that. It is just awesome. Just wanted to take a minute to point out here that this is where the grass gets pushed out when it's cut by the blades. Now, you can also buy an attachment for this, a bag that goes on the outside, and that would collect your clippings. Otherwise, the clippings are going to go all over the grass. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, what does this thing look like in action? If you are looking for a great option for a push mower, this one here, the 14-inch push lawn mower by the American Lawn Mower Company, is truly awesome. It weighs just over a kilogram, not hard to move around weight-wise at all, puts together in under 10 minutes, mows the lawn like a dream, allows you to cut the grass without gas, without electricity, without a rechargeable battery, so there's no excuses, which maybe you don't like that or maybe you do, but it just is a really cool machine. Cuts beautifully. I am super impressed with how efficient it is, how well it cuts the grass. I think this is going to be a family favorite in my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.